In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive folders in Google Classroom efficiently and effectively. This is a simple yet powerful way to streamline your class resources and make them accessible to your students with just a few clicks. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Google Drive and hit Enter. You're looking for the link with the URL that starts with drive.google.com. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Google Drive homepage where all your files and folders are stored. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so now. Enter your Google credentials, and you'll be taken into your Google Drive account. Here, the next task is to find the specific folder you want to share with your class. Take a moment to navigate through your files until you spot it. Once you've located the folder, right-click on it. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. Here, you have two ways to initiate sharing. You can either directly select Share from the menu or hit the Share icon, which you'll find at the top of your screen. In the sharing settings, you'll notice an option labeled General Access, which might currently be set to Restricted. You'll want to change this to Anyone with the link. This adjustment will ensure that anyone who receives the link will be able to access the folder without restrictions. It's crucial to set the appropriate permission level for those accessing the folder. The default option, Viewer, is perfect for students, as it allows them to view the content only. However, if you want your students to be able to comment or even make edits, you can change this setting to either Commenter or Editor. Make your choice based on what best suits your teaching needs. Next, click Copy Link to grab the shareable URL. After you've done this, you can select Done to exit out of the sharing settings. Now let's move over to Google Classroom. Open your Google Classroom and navigate to the class you'd like to share the folder with. This can be done on either the classwork page or the Stream section, depending on where you feel it best fits the context of your lesson. Once in the right place, you can either create a new assignment or piece of material, or you can start a new class comment. After you've started this process, look for the link icon, or select Add, and then Link to proceed. Paste the URL you copied earlier into the provided field and confirm by clicking Add Link. The final step is to post this new content to your class, making sure that all your students can now easily access the shared folder and its contents. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a Google Drive folder in your Google Classroom. This method not only saves time, but also helps keep your students organized with easy access to class materials. Thank you for watching, and happy teaching.